We are currently in steps 3 and 4 of the planning process. Once we have completed our resource inventories and have analyzed the resource data with either CART or the planning criteria, we can determine if resource concerns exist. Then we will be able to document the benchmark or existing conditions. We have opened the save file. Notice the not complete warning message to the right of the resource concerns link. If all benchmark conditions for the resources are not documented, this message will appear. We can click the link or scroll down to the first resource, which is soil, wind, and water erosion. Under sheet and rill erosion for crop, first expand the column and click on the drop-down choice button. In this case, we use CART to assess the resource. If we look at our CART summary, the existing total of 5 is less than the threshold of 50, so we choose the choice CART assessment existing condition is below threshold. Notice that whenever the existing condition is documented, the red warning to the left of the cell disappears. If we move down to ephemeral gully and look at our CART summary, the existing total of 1 is less than the threshold of 50, so we choose the choice CART assessment existing condition is below threshold. Next, we move down to classic gully erosion. And to demonstrate that we could use the planning criteria to describe the existing condition, we look at the planning criteria for classic gully erosion. The planning criteria is the site is stable without visible signs of active erosion. During our field inventories, we verified that was the case in the field since there were no gullies present. Therefore, we can use the planning criteria option of not a resource concern meets planning criteria. So we select that narrative. Notice that resource concerns are highlighted in red and resources that are not concerns are highlighted in green. We will continue to go down through the list of resource concerns, documenting the existing resource conditions using the CART assessment or the planning criteria. Notice that I have documented the existing condition for all resources. Again, note that resource concerns are highlighted in red and resources that are not concerns are highlighted in green.